Okay, today we're making a really lovely vegetarian spaghetti alla Nerano. In the wonderful TV series starring Stanley Tucci, he describes this dish as life-changing for him, so I think we definitely need to give it a go. So you're going to cook your pasta until al dente in boiling salted water and stir from time to time. Be sure to reserve a couple of cups of that lovely starchy cooking water because you're going to use that later. Then you're going to deep fry your zucchini slices in batches until they're really golden and lovely, and that took about 8 minutes roughly each batch. Then a cup of chopped basil, combine that with 1 or 2 teaspoons of good quality salt, and then get a large enough pan to put your cooked pasta in and stir that, and then you're going to stir your zucchini in with the basil and salt. Now add that lovely sweet deep fried zucchini. The deep frying does make it lovely and sweet, and that's the difference, to the pan, and add some of the reserved pasta water, up to 2 cups. Now add some salt and 2 cups of finely grated parmesan. I use a microplane for that, and stir it. It's ready when it's luscious and creamy, that sauce. Pop it on one of your favourite platters, and I hope you love it as much as Stanley does, and now I do. This one is an absolute delight.